Actually, wait.
This this is the Swiss Tech Utili-Key review in response to another review to give it a fair shake. We've this is like $10 off Amazon. It's got pretty good reviews, and it's got an eyeglass. Well, it's actually just really small. Phillips head. I have to apologize. We'll get to this in a minute, but this is the bottle opener, which is not stellar. It's got another really small flathead right there, which I haven't used them. I mean, my glasses are too small, but it actually seems like a genuinely decent tool. Now, the bottle opener, as you can see, is terrible. As someone else put it, suicidal to use, because if you have it on the beer bottle, it just doesn't work. If you have it like this, it's gonna fold on you, or actually poke a bunch of holes in the top, which are pretty much useless, unless you're like that. But you can do it like this, but then you're grasping the sharp end, which is a terrible idea. So, especially when you're drinking, knives and drinking don't mix. As you can see, the beer right here and this really sharp butter knife. I'm gonna do a little comparison of the blade. The other person described it as not sharper than a butter knife, but I would disagree. So we have typical assailant, a milk container, and I'm gonna try cutting into it. Actually, that cuts reasonably well. All right, this is okay. Butter knife is sharper. This is in my defense, or in this defense, this is a really sharp butter knife. I wouldn't. Yeah, so I haven't given it a fair, fair review as I just got it today, but these are initial assessments of the actual tool. Maybe I'll follow up after I've actually used it. And this has a nice little feature where you can actually clasp it onto your keychain. So, although actually, this is one major gripe. If you like your fingernails, you probably shouldn't get this because opening it is like opening the gates to hell. It really, I mean, I don't even have long fingernails, and it feels like it's gonna snap off my fingernail. But I think we've gotten it loosened up a little bit. Usually, you have to use like something. You can hear it snap shut. It holds really well right there. But other than that, $10, it's not a huge loss, but I'll let you know how it goes.